Good morning, beautiful people of the world. It is just after 12, and I most certainly got a fantastic sleep. But it is time to get to work on this beautiful Sunday afternoon. I actually have a lot of work to do today, and sleeping in this late was definitely not helpful.
Hello?
Hey, how's it going?
Hey Zach, how are you?
I'm doing well. I just wanted to let you know that I am picking up some material from Home Depot now, and I should be at your place in about 20 to 30 minutes. All right, we've arrived on site at my client's here with the necessary materials. Here's a piece of brick molding that I will be using today. And just over here is where the problem is, and I'll go ahead and show you. Well, as you're familiar with, you've already seen this area here. I think I'm only gonna have to replace this left side. Right side looks really, really good and healthy, so I'll get up there and feel around, maybe replace some sections with Bondo, but generally speaking, this is where all the damage is at, right in there. This is kind of crazy here, but just using my hand, I'm able to pry this thing away. I mean, it's that weak and compromised. Look at that. Alright, well, here's the void. I've removed everything and gotten it ready for the new piece. I took a measurement. Here's a new piece, 37 5/8 of an inch. And well, let's get it fit. Alright, well, she's in, and she fits very nicely. So we'll get her tacked in, get everything caulked. Some stuff needs putty, that'll probably need some Bondo. Caulk the inside gaps here, all the way down. And then we'll touch all this stuff up here. Let's go. Okay, that's not going anywhere. Let's go. All right, the new piece is on. These are looking really, really good. Gaps have caulked very nicely. All we have to worry about now is bondoing that. Look at that V right there. Bondoing that and bondoing this area here. Okay, the next problem we're looking at. Man, that is too bad. The guy got stuck in there. No. Sorry, man. Well, things are coming along great. Finishing up this one here, and we'll move on to the next one. All right, everything is wrapped up here. I need to caulk this gap and maybe caulk some holes here, prime, and then paint. All right, caulking is done. Now we prime. Primer has been applied. Looking incredible. Let's go. Things are going really, really well with this window trim here. All I gotta do is let the caulk dry a little bit longer, and then we prime just like we did the other one. And I think this is going to be all I'm going to have time for today. Just these two fixes. There are two more that need to be done, but I'll have to come back for those later. All right, primer has been applied. It's time to go back to another client's house to finish up a project that I actually think I showed you on Handyman in action #1. So let's go. All right, well, I just finished that first job this early afternoon. It's 5 o'clock, so I was actually on the job for about 4 hours, and things went really, really well. I will have to return maybe in a week or two. I'm just gonna have to get her on the schedule again because I wasn't able to finish everything, because I do have another job that I have to get to this afternoon. The trailer is hitched and I'm about 2 minutes away from my client's house. It's 5:49 p.m. and yeah, Lowe's closes at 8. So I know typically I'm at Home Depot, but what I'm getting for my other client, I can only get at Lowe's and they close at 8. So basically I have about 2 hours to get all the work done here. Don't know if that's gonna happen. Maybe I'll just defer the painting until another day. Let the caulking dry. We'll see what happens, but I do need to get to Lowe's before 8. So, I mean, that's why I even have the trailer here in the first place. So we'll see what happens, and I keep you updated. All right, so this right here is the piece that I just took out of this section here. And I'm basically gonna go ahead and replace this with a piece of cedar. So you can see the damage that has been caused here. I have my entire board on top of this board, and this board here is 3 inches, so I'll go ahead and set my fence here to 3 inches. Make the cuts, and we'll replace both boards. There's one here and one here. That one on the other side I was gonna do, but it looks rather healthy, so let's get them cut out and tacked in. All right, cut number 1 has been made. It's time to make the second cut. All right, both pieces have been cut. Here's one, there's the second. Now it's time to prime them. And once the primer dries, then we'll go ahead and get them tacked in. Both pieces have been primed and are drying as we speak. Also, I'm running out of primer, but I did just buy a new gallon, so we're looking good there. Trash from the last job. Boom. All right, well, I have just finished caulking, as you can see. I look up to this beautiful sky. I sure am a lucky dude. Well, I got about 35 minutes to get the trailer and truck over to Lowe's to grab some really heavy material, so let's get going before they close. Okay, it is about 7:31, and like I said, I'm heading to Lowe's right now. Hopefully I can get there before they close. They close at 8 o'clock and I'm about 9 minutes away now, so it's looking like I'll have about 20 minutes to find what I need to get and check out. Hopefully they let me in. Let's see what happens. One event at a time, 1 hour at a time. So yeah, we'll keep a positive attitude and let's keep moving forward, baby. Come on. By the way, everything went great at my last client's place. Smooth sailing is what I was trying to say. Let's go. I got that nice guy to help me out. So the original plan was to get 8 16-foot 6x6s, but they don't have 16-footers. Yo, let me get you some money.
No. I will tell you, we were at a beauty bar. Some dude came in on the other side. Think you're concrete or?
No, so basically we'll just take it, put it on the ground, put it in the grass, keep like chest finished. Okay, in the nick of time. Let's go, Zeke. We're here with my buddy Garrett. We got all of these loaded up. And it's time to drop them off. Hopefully the trailer is gonna hold. This might be the most weight that's ever been on. Let's go. See you, Garrett. I hope you cash those bets. Let's go. Peace. Okay, just after 8 o'clock. Leaving Lowe's right now. Man, we made that happen so fast. Let's go, Garrett. Unreal. So yeah, that was incredible. Got about 12 minutes until I'm at the client's house to drop them off. I'm gonna be driving pretty slow, to be completely honest. I mean, that's a lot of weight back there. I don't know how heavy each one of those guys are, but man, a lot of weight, a lot of weight. So as you can see, what I've done is I've pulled into the neighbor's driveway, because that's what's gonna get us closest to the swing set. As you can see, all the beams have been placed right here on top of the mulch. Now I gotta back this car and trailer out of this driveway. Wow, what an evening, and what a day, man. Helping out the local community and making a few bucks while I'm at it. Let's go, sick. Dude, I just successfully backed that thing out like a professional. Unreal. 8:36 p.m. on a Sunday. Shout out Donnie to Didnick. Work harder. Good night, everybody.